Hello students, today we are going to look for class 8, chapter number 8, A Short Monsoon Diary by Ruskin Bond. Multiple choice question. So after completing the whole summary, I recommend you to watch this video so that you can analyze yourself by answering these multiple choice questions. These questions are very important for the exam point of view. So before beginning of these multiple choice question, let me give you a short summary of this chapter, A Short Monsoon Diary by Ruskin Bond. See, these are the diary entries by the famous writer Ruskin Bond for 10 different days, spreading across a period of 10 months of the year. Here, he tells us about the nature of silent miracles and life's little joys and regrets. June 24 was the first day of monsoon mist. The mist was saddening. It concealed the hills and spread silence. The birds stopped singing suddenly. June 25 brought early monsoon rain. It became warm and humid. The mist, in a way, afforded some privacy. A boy asked him to describe the hill station and the valley. Ruskin only said that it could have been a paradise. The rain marked the arrival of some seasonal visitors like a praying leopard and large number of leeches. Then there are new arrivals of minivets flitting around and some dragons chasing those minivets. Insectivorous birds find a lot of insects to feed on. The diary of August 2 mentions the steady swish of a tropical downpour drumming on the corrugated tin roof, keeping the writer from sleeping. The diary note of August 3 gives a brief description of the activities on the hillside after the rain stops and the song of the whistling thrush from the depths of the ravine. In the diary note of August 12, endless rain and long lasting mist is described. The hillsides are lush with monsoon flowers. The diary of August 31 tells us about the lush monsoon growth which reaches its peak. Changes of colors in different flowers and plants suggest the end of monsoon. Snake and other rodents also come out as their holes and burrows are submerged. Chachundars also start running about rooms. October 3 diary suggests the onset of winter rain. There is snow at higher altitudes. After an evening hailstorm, the sky and the hills turn golden with sunlight. The note of January 26 relates the winter rains in the hills. After steady rain, the mist pervades all over. The diary entry of March 23 marks the end of winter and the forming of a rainbow. So here our summary end of this chapter. Now let us begin with the multiple choice question. Question number 1. The author could hear Biju chopping the sticks, crying in the forest, running about on the hillside or singing songs loudly. So the answer will be option number C, that is running about the hillside. Next one. Question number 2. A paradise might have been is the description of options are hill station and landscapes, hill station and valley, landscapes and forest, valley and landscapes. The answer is option number B, that is hill station and valley. Question number 3. The leopard had to flee at the approach of dash, a barking dog, Biju's mother, the continuous rains and the leeches. So the answer is option number B, that is Biju's mother. Question number 4. Grandmother advised the children not to kill chachundars as they dash are very cute, are harmless, bring ill luck, bring money. So the answer is option number D, bring money. The trees turning grey gives the diarist a feeling of dash, attractiveness, dreariness, loneliness or loveliness. So the answer is option number C, that is loneliness. Next one. The scarlet minivets are dash, females, males, insects or animals. So the answer is option number B, that is males. Next one, question number 7. How do the minivets plan to fly away unnoticed? Options are hiding themselves in a leafy tree, making their brightness dull, not making any noise, flying away in the dark at night. So the answer is option number C, not making any noise. Next question. Because of the continuous rain at night, the writer cannot sleep. The writer goes to sleep. The writer is greatly frightened, or both A and B. So the answer is option number B. The writer goes to sleep. Next question. The synonymous word for a number of is in the extract is dash. Corrugated, downpour, unaccountable, or tropical. So the answer is option number C, that is unaccountable. Next one. The writer cannot go out because of dash. Continuous rain, lack of sunlight, being damp and soggy everywhere, both A and C. So the answer is option number D. बिकॉज रेन की वजह से क्या हो गया था, मतलब कंटिन्यूस रेन थी एंड आपका क्या था वहाँ पे, बीइंग डैम्प एंड सॉगी एवरीवेयर, सब जगह एकदम ह्यूमिडिटी थी और पानी भर गया था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द राइटर स्पेंड्स हिज टाइम बाय डैश, pacing the room, counting umbrellas, watching lush hillsides from the window, or both A and C. So the answer is option number D, that is both A and C. That is pacing the room and watching lush hillsides from the window. Okay, so here I have provided you with all the answers. You can look for all the answers here again. So this was all about the video. I hope everybody enjoyed and understood the video properly. If you really like my video, please give it a like, share among your friends, and subscribe my channel for more such videos. In the upcoming videos, I'll be bringing up the MCQs of the supplementary chapter, that is chapter number 3, the selfish giant, and so on. Till then, stay tuned and thanks for watching.